Let's learn some basic Java loops. A loop in Java is basically a repetition of a statement over and over again while a certain condition is true. Suppose you have here a boolean is available, then the most basic Java loop is using while. While means while the variable is true, then you do something. For example, let's print to system out. Again, you can do while is available or while is available equals true is perfectly equivalent. In addition to while, Java supports a do while loop. Suppose you have a count here. What you can do is using the do while construct, we can write the value, then that count is, and print the value of count, and we can increment the value of count inside. The difference between a while and a do while is that the do while evaluates these statements inside at least once. Java also supports a for loop. The way you write it is for, then you have the initialization of a variable here, and then a condition, and then an increment of the counter or the index. So let's break this down a little bit to see how it works. This first statement is executed once upon entry of the for loop, and then the condition is evaluated in the beginning to make sure that it is true. If it is true, then statement inside the for loop is executed, and then it is incremented, and then the condition is evaluated again, and the statement is printed again. So this has the behavior of initialization executed once, and then while this condition is true, this statement keeps being printed, and at the end of the statement it goes back to the loop, is incremented, and then it's evaluated again if it's true, and continues, and so on. Java also supports a for each loop. Suppose you have an int array here, initialized with 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So what you can do is you can write a for each. Now what this does is for each value inside this collection or iterable, then we're going to have a value and we're going to be printing. Happy coding!